Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahzadi Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, chapter 11 MCQ. Our today's topic, chapter 11 MCQ, and our lecture number 27. So, dear students, let's start our class. Dear students, at first take your textbook, that means science book and suggestion. Okay. So, follow the class with your suggestion and textbook. Our today's chapter 11, force and simple machine. Okay. First MCQ, we will discuss some MCQ from this chapter. First MCQ number 53. Which one is a lever of class 2? Options are option A, scissors, option B, forceps, option C, pinchers, and option D, nutcrackers. Dear students, we know scissors, forceps, and pinchers are class 1 lever. So we know nutcrackers is class 2 lever. So our correct answer is option D. So put a tick mark on option D. Dear students, I am repeating, which one is a lever of class 2? Nutcracker. We know nutcracker is a lever of class 2. Now next MCQ 54. How is the mechanical efficiency availed from inclined plane? How is the mechanical efficiency availed from inclined plane? Okay, inclined plane, option A, increasing length, option B, decreasing length, option C, increasing height, and option D, decreasing height. Dear students, we know the mechanical efficiency of a inclined plane is increasing, it will be increasing length. Okay, if we increase the length, we can avail the mechanical efficiency more from inclined plane. So our correct answer is option A. So put a tick mark on option A. How is the mechanical efficiency availed from inclined plane? Increasing length. Okay, this is our correct answer. Now answer the questions number 55 to 56 based on the given figure. Dear students, see the figure properly. This one 50 centimeter and there is a load. Okay, so 10 centimeter. Okay, dear students, see there is 50 centimeter and it will be force 10 centimeter. So 55 number question, what is the mechanical efficiency of the machine shown in the figure? What is the mechanical efficiency of the machine shown in the figure? That means in inclined plane, what will be the mechanical efficiency? Dear students, we know the mechanical efficiency of inclined plane is mechanical efficiency of inclined plane is load or weight divided by force. From above stem we know there is load, that means 50. Okay, load is 50 and force is 10. So 5 tens are 50, that means 5. Okay, the mechanical efficiency of from this above figure, the mechanical efficiency of inclined plane is 5. Okay, so our correct answer is option A. So put a tick mark on option A. Now next question 56 number MCQ. If the length of the load arm is increasing by 15 centimeter, if the length of load arm, okay, if the length of load arm will increasing by 15 centimeter, the mechanical efficiency, option 1 will decrease, option 2 will increase, option 3 will remain same. Dear students, I am repeating, if the length of the load arm is increased by 15 centimeter, the mechanical efficiency option 1 will decrease, option 2 will increase, option 3 will remain same. Which one is correct? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D 1 and 2. Dear students, we know in mechanical efficiency, we know the mechanical efficiency we have discussed the increasing, by increasing length the mechanical efficiency will be increased, but if the length of load arm is increasing, then the mechanical efficiency will decrease. That means our correct answer is option A. Okay, this one, option A. If the load arm of is increasing, the mechanical efficiency of inclined plane will decrease. Okay, so put a tick mark on option A. Now 57 number MCQ. What is liver? Option A, organ of human body. Option B, simple machine. Option C, complex machine. And option D, force decreasing machine. Dear students, what is liver? I am repeating, what is liver? We know liver is a simple machine. So our correct answer is option B. So put a tick mark on option B. We know liver is a simple machine. Okay, now next, come to next question 58. Which one is a simple machine? Options are option A, sewing machine, option B, cycle, option C, tractor, and option D, scissor. Dear students, I am repeating, which one is a simple machine? We know scissors is a simple machine. So put a tick mark on option D. This is our correct answer. We know scissor is a simple machine. Okay. Now come to next question 55 number MCQ. Which is mechanical efficiency? Dear students, I am repeating, which is mechanical efficiency? Options are option A, force by weight, option B, weight by force, option C, volume by force, and option D, force by volume. Dear students, we know the mechanical efficiency is load or weight divided by force. From formula, from book we know this formula, mechanical efficiency is load or weight divided by force. So our correct answer is option B, weight divided by force. So put a tick mark on option B. Dear students, from book we know the formula of mechanical efficiency is weight divided by force. Now come to next question, 60 number question. The applied force and pivot remain on two edges of option A, pincers, option B, bottle opener, option C, scissors, option D, hammer. I am repeating, dear students, the applied force and pivot remains on two edges of, we know there are three types of simple machines, class 1, class 2 and class 3. Dear students, we know in class 2 device the applied force and pivot remain on two edges. Okay, in class 2 the applied force and pivot remain on two edges and load will be in the middle position. So bottle opener, we know bottle opener is class 2 lever. So our correct answer is option B. So put a tick mark on option B. Bottle opener is class 2 lever. Okay, in class 2 lever we know the applied force and pivot remain in two edges and load will be the middle position. Okay, that means bottle opener is class 2 lever. So our correct answer is option B. Now next question, 61 number question. An inclined plane is a, options are option A, lever, option B, pulley, option C, simple machine, and option D, wheel rod axis. Okay, we dear students, I am repeating, an inclined plane is a simple machine. We know an inclined plane is a simple machine. So put a tick mark on option C. Now next question and last MCQ from today's class, 62 number MCQ. A jack screw follow the principle of option 1 lever, option 2 inclined plane, option 3 pulley. A jack screw follow the principle of lever, inclined plane, pulley. Which one is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, and option D 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, we know a jack screw follow the principles of lever and inclined plane. Okay, that means our correct answer option A. So put a tick mark on option A. Dear students, I am repeating the a jack screw follow the principle of lever and inclined plane. That means our correct answer option A. So dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. So keep practicing at home and memorize properly all question answers. We will give you
assignment and you have to submit it because you will you will promoted your the next class on the basis of your assignment marks. So keep practicing at home and stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.